Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to get notes on Instagram after update. And so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So to check that, just go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Instagram. Okay, so now once you've searched for Instagram, what you need to do is to check if you have the update button. So if you have the update button instead of the open button, just go ahead and click on that, and that should update your Instagram application. Then after that, just go ahead and check again on your Instagram if you have the notes. Okay, so as you can see, I already have the note. That is because I already updated my Instagram application. But let's just say after you update, you still doesn't have the note feature. What you need to do is to just go ahead and try to log out your account and log in again. So to do that, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the Log Out button. So just go ahead and log out your account, and after that, just go ahead and log in again. And that should help you with your problem. Okay? But if that doesn't still work for you, the last option that you have is to just go ahead and report it to Instagram support. Okay? So to do that, click on your profile photo again at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. You want to scroll down until you see Help. Okay? Now click on Report a Problem. Report problem without shaking. Include and continue. Okay? And you can also do is to just go ahead and take a screenshot of your home screen or this part of your Instagram where you should see the note feature. Okay, so just go ahead and take a screenshot of that. Go back to Settings and click on Help. Okay, so now as you can see, you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So just go ahead and type, for example, I cannot see the notes feature on my Instagram. Please help me to get this feature as soon as possible. Thank you. So just go ahead and type that, or you can create your own paragraph or sentence, and then after that you can just go ahead and click on the upload button here at the middle part of your screen, and then just go ahead and choose the screenshot you took earlier. Okay, so that should also help you with your problem. So once you've sent the problem, just go ahead and wait for the response of Instagram support, and they should provide you with assistance regarding this problem. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.